Hey everyone, I just want to show you that if you have a PDF document, you can put it into an assignment so that it is visible, so it shows up without just being in the attachment. So that looks like this. So it'll open up and the student can see it without having to download anything. So what you do, you just create the assignment and you click on Course Resource and click Upload Resource here. And choose, now you can only choose HTML or PDF, unfortunately, but if you have the PDF, then you just put it right in there, and it's going to show up, just like that. And another thing you can do is you can add activity instructions to it, so I'm just going to paste what I have here. Now this is already formatted, but I'll talk about that in a second. So what I have here in my PDF file is a primary source document. So what I've been doing is giving the students the primary source documents that show up right when they open up the assignment up here. And then down below, we have a little bit of background for the PDF document. And the teacher can just go through the bullet points, as class is going, and talk a little bit about it. And then there's guiding questions on the bottom. So if you have a student that's working with a primary source document, you can give that student the guiding questions, and they can go through the document up here, read through it, and then make their notes in their notebook and answer the questions, whatever questions you want them to answer. What you can also do is set up a Dropbox, as you normally do. So that becomes kind of like an assignment for the day. So you have your primary source document and you have your background and instructions for what they want to look for in the primary source document, and then they have their Dropbox to type in their answers to the questions or to type out a summary or an analysis or interpretation of their primary source document, whatever you want the assignment to be. So it's like creating everything all in one place for your assignment for the day if you want to do that. This also works well with more visual primary source documents as well. So I have this here. There's a couple pictures, photographs that the student can analyze and interpret. And on this document, the questions are right on there, so I just have the Dropbox there for them. So that's it.